Hello and welcome back to another Transformation Tuesday. This month is Heather's Hues Angel Aura from her June Duo Polish. Every month she creates a special duo of polishes based upon inspiration pictures submitted through and voted on her Facebook group. Angel Aura is an electric blue jelly packed with a mix of lavender and silver hollow glitters, baby blue hollow micro shreds, and a colorful mix of iridescent and multichrome flakies. If you're new to the channel, I just basically recreate the look of the polishes that I see that I really would like to have that I don't have, and I try to recreate the look based on polishes that I have in my stash. I love these indie polishes and I just want to pay homage. I will be using this Broadway polish as the base for the creation, and this is called Bowling, which is number 13. Next, topping it will be with Sinful colors, and this is from the limited edition Smashing Flecks Smash Hit, and then Wet n Wild Candy Gloss Nail Tint called A Case of Blue. So I'm just applying the first color of the Broadway Bowling, and I had forgot all about this polish that I had it in my stash, and when I pulled it out I was like, oh my god, how could I have forgotten about this gorgeous, beautiful blurple polish. It's not that streaky, y'all. It's just my application on this nail tip, so don't think it's the polish. It's me. So I'm going in for my second coat. I just didn't put enough on my brush when applying it to this large nail tip. But this polish is actually very, very creamy, and consistency is just an all-around lovely polish. Now I'm topping it with Smash Hit, the polish from Sinful Colors. And I'm being generous because I wanted those flakies to come out and appear on this nail. Real pretty. I decided to go over it once more to give it more flaky and glitter payoff. And this is the polish that I created, and I'll have a card and link to the video in which I made this on my own. I'm very proud of it. And it gave this nail tip the right sparkle, the right gleam, the right amount of flakies. I really enjoyed the look of it. And here is the candy gloss tint from Wet n Wild. And this really made a big difference in this look. All right, this wraps up another edition of Transformation Tuesday. If you like this type of content, don't forget to like and also subscribe. And remember to allow the magic to take hold and watch the magic appear. Bye.